Guys, I'm back today and I am bird hunting out of my window, okay, just for fun, okay? Anyways, I got my trusty old BB gun here, alright? Yeah, that's nice, okay. So, I'm gonna be hunting out of my window. Hey guys, I spent about 20 minutes and my sister walked outside. I did shoot a bird from right there, but she's running my hunting, guys. Her and the dog Bandit. What's she doing? She's just sitting on her phone. Can't believe she doesn't know I'm not around here. Guys, I'm pretty sure she scared away all the birds because I don't even hear not one bird. It's been 15 minutes. And all I'm seeing is just leaves falling. By the way, the other night. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, okay. She almost spotted me. The other night it was just snowing outside, so yeah, it's been crazy. And I haven't been in school for a week because I've been dealing with the ACL. I had surgery, so yeah. Guys, just right there she is. She couldn't get into that. She couldn't get into that door right there. It's kind of funny, so she had to go through that door. Look at the backyard here. We've been having some deer come through, okay, for a little while now, and me and my dad went out hunting the other day on my room. He left his bow up here, it's just hanging, but, so, I hope we get deer at some point. You know, oh, there's one right there. There's a bird right there. Let's hope I can get it. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, bother. Guys, I'm so noisy. Guys, I think I just stunned one. I stunned one. It's quite some distance for a BB gun, guys. Look. Boom. No, I wasn't aiming for anything, but showing you guys what's up. Guys, that was a lot of birds that came up there. That was awesome. Oh, there's my dog. Dang it, I keep getting my finger in the way. Oh, guys, he jumped down. Guys, I just felt a whole lot of BBs. That was full. That was all onto my bed. Sorry, this has been boring, you guys. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, I had no idea what for the video to do. Plus, I was just bored, so I just figured do this. And my sister was ruining my hunt, and yeah. Although I'm not the greatest hunter, but that's okay. You know, I had a couple deer. Let's see. There's one of my deer skins stuff. I don't know if you guys can. It's probably because of this light here. There, that's better. Yeah, see, that's just one of my deers. Over. That's time. Holy cow! What the hey? There you go. Yeah, that was kind of weird. But yeah, I tried making a little strap thing, you know, so I can put my BB gun over my shoulder and stuff. But that didn't work. This broke. See, it broke right there, so I just basically gave up. And then I just wrapped this around. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Okay. Anyhow. I don't know if you guys can see me. That could be probably better. Alright. Anyhow. You guys can subscribe and put that notification sign so then you guys can see all my videos when they're posted. And please like and comment under there. And there's just one more. Well, I think that's it. I think. Oh no, I don't know. Huh. I wish it wasn't so cold out today. I think it's like 38, maybe. Look, my buddy Jimmy. She just asked who I was talking to. So, sorry, Jimmy. I had to use your name. Alright, yep. Pause this video. Alright, guys. I can wrap up this video. Alright. So, please like, comment, and subscribe if you can. Thank you. You guys are awesome.